In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an extra wide hot tub step. They're going to go across the entire front face of this. What I have done so far is I have cut a 4x4 into 6 1-foot chunks, and I got some lumber on the top that I'm going to be using. Kind of just making this design up as I go. But those are essentially going to be the legs, 2 on that side, 2 in the middle, 2 on this side. Then I'll start tying it together and we'll see how it goes. I'm thinking about doing a design like this where I have a post in the middle, 4 foot, and then another post on the edges, and then I'll start tying it together. So I will start with this, and worst case scenario, I'll just take it apart if it's not working the way I need it to. Okay, I got 2 of those created now. I'm gonna start piecing these together with 1-foot bars and just keep on going from there. Important things to think about when you're making a step. You don't want to make it too tall. Too tall will prevent your older people and younger people from being able to use it effectively. And then also you don't want it too wide. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to make the inside, so from board to board, I'm going to make that about 1 foot. So I'll tap that in a little bit more. I think that's going to be the perfect width. So I'm going to tie this together. I'm going to put 1 foot here, 1. Then I'm gonna do 2, 3, and then 4. And then I'll probably toenail 1 in here, 5, and then another one right here, 6. Maybe not even a toenail, I'll just go straight through the edge here. So I need 6 boards that are 1 foot each. And then on the end caps right here, I'll do it 1.5 inches longer so that it covers up this connecting board here. So this will be 1 foot 3 inches and 1 foot 3 inches down there. So I need 6 boards that are 1 foot, 2 boards that are 1 foot 3 inches, and then I'll tie it all together. All right, so far so good. This is where I'm at. I'm now gonna put my planks going across the top. I have 2x3s, so I probably need 4 or 5 of them right here, is what I'm guessing. Just finished screwing the top boards on. Just wanna show you the pattern I did. This is where my post was, so I got a square there and then straight up on my connecting boards. There's one there, a few lines here, same concept over here as well. Next step, what you will notice is on my end caps, I have this section. I'm gonna cut a board and lay it out horizontally, just so that I close that gap up. All right, I think that turned out pretty good. There's that piece, and then here's this piece over here. So you can see now everything's level. All right, I got my step closer to the hot tub now. What I'm going to do is level off the rocks so that I can get this closer and it's level. And then I'm going to toenail some long screws from a leg into this wooden base right here. I'm not gonna put too much because my panel, my maintenance panel is right here. So anytime I have to go into there, I'm gonna have to take this off. But I do want this to be steady so that when someone's standing on it, it doesn't like knock over and someone falls and hits their head on something and then now I'm in a lawsuit. So I'm going to attach it, and it's too easy to be able to pull screws out and get to the panel that way versus having it be wobbly. So I'm gonna work on that right now. Okay, feels very smooth. I excavated a little bit over here and here, put some plates under that, and then I double stacked the plate right here just to level it out. I'm going to kind of smooth out the rocks, and man, project complete. I love the way it looks. I love that it goes across the entire hot tub, and I'm going to stain and seal it to match my roll-up hot tub cover as well. So overall, I love this project. Hope it helps you.